Hello everyone and welcome to our another video. Sergio Ramos could face contract termination at PSG. Sergio Ramos could have his contract terminated at Paris Saint-Germain according to reports in France. The Spanish defender joined the Paris in the summer following the expiry of his Real Madrid contract. Ramos spent 16 years at Madrid, winning 4 Champions League, 5 La Liga titles and 4 Club World Cups. The defender made 671 appearances for Los Blancos, scoring an impressive 101 goals. Injuries limited Ramos to only 21 appearances in all competition last season. Also, Spain boss Luis Enrique did not include the 35-year-old in his Euro 2020 squad due to worries over his fitness. His injury problems are persisting as he still has not played for PSG since arriving from Madrid. Due to this, the Ligue 1 giants could buy Ramos out of his contract. Although the option is not on the agenda, the possibility of a termination is not science fiction. Paris has assumed that it has been able to make a mistake in its signing. Meanwhile, Lionel Messi has said he wants to return to Barcelona once his time at PSG is over. What is almost confirmed and for sure is that we are going to live in Barcelona again and that our life will be there. It's what my wife wants and I want, the Argentina told Sport. Sergio Ramos could see his Paris Saint-Germain career come to an end before he has made an appearance according to reports from French media. An early exit would make a worrying new low for the World Cup winning defender who is tied to the French giants until the summer of 2023 unless PSG decide to end his stint early. The report contradicts claims from those clubs who have spoken publicly about Ramos with a degree of optimism, most notably Leonardo on Friday night. The sporting director was pressed on the central defender situation after PSG 2-1 comeback victory over reigning champion Lille on Friday night. Ramos' injury has to date kept him at a bad day from making his debut for PSG. Those who are not aware, Sergio Ramos' contract sees him staying in the club until 2023, being one of the most senior players in the Paris Saint-Germain locker room. Ramos was expected to earn his way into the starting 11 as the defensive department of the particular club is already one of the strongest in all of Europe. Now, reports emerge that the Qatar-backed club could cut their loss and buy him out of his deal early and move on. The 35-year-old had a major knee surgery in February, after which he has already suffered relapse while being in France, and after his most recent medical, reports have emerged that Paris Saint-Germain feel that Ramos is too impatient to return on the field, rushing himself back to the injury before he is 100% ready. As Ramos turns 36 next March, PSG exclusion can only see him gain interest in clubs like Arsenal, Manchester United and Tottenham Hotspur.